Alright, I wanted to share this with everybody. It's either going to be good or bad. I just reassembled, this is the Sireno we're working on today. 1930s to 40s. It's an M1. It was dead on arrival when it came. And all I did was go in, clean these contacts where they connect to the brushes. The brushes were frozen, so they weren't making good contact with the commutator. So I took them apart, lubed them, sand them a little bit, put them back together. I took the chopper, the rotor off the siren, and I buffed it out, cleaned up the cage or the stator around it. And we're going to find out together if this has worked or not. Yeah, let me hit the positive up first. Alright, hooking this to a good ground. And here goes nothing. It's either going to work or it's not going to work. I am very happy. Very happy right now. Back together. Siren looks nice and shiny. Let's hear how the whole thing sounds.